Hey collectors, here is a look at Black Noir from the TV series The Boys by NECA. At the back of the box, there is a picture of the action figure plus a short bio for Black Noir. Once you open the book type box, there is another picture of the character in an action pose and the window type box which features the figure itself. And here is the figure out of the book type box. Black Noir comes with two knives, two extra pair of hands, and oh crap. And the figure has a plastic strap that secures it in the plastic tray. And here is the figure out of the plastic tray. He stands around 7 inches tall and goodness, and is superposable like all other DECA figures in this line. And again, I would like to remind everyone to heat up the joints to avoid breaking them and don't force them to bend. And here is the back side of the figure. There are a lot of sculpting details which some of us cannot see on screen if your contrast or brightness is set at a low setting. And this is how good NECA is in doing their action figure sculpting. The figure can hold a simple action pose on its own without any support, but again, I don't recommend you leaving it on display in this kind of pose. And even though the suit is all black, there are paint textures and other sculpting details which you can see differentiate the different layers of mesh and armor and bodysuit that Black Noir is wearing in the TV series The Boys. Black Noir is also as tall as the McFarlane figures, and if you have the Batman box set movie collection, you can use the other Batman figures to put them in an action figure pose. And this is just an example of how it scales with the Multiverse DC line of McFarlane toys. Of all the members of the 7 from the TV series The Boys, Black Noir is my favorite, and not only now that I've noticed this part of his body proportion after NECA released the figure. And it's very weird because I haven't noticed that in the TV series. Although most of the time, his shots are half body, which is probably why I haven't seen that weird proportion of this figure. My only complaint for this figure is that it lacks accessories or weapons, which we probably see he just picks around in the TV series. And for size comparison, here he is with Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai model kit and Voltes 5 from the same titled anime by Bandai SMP line model kit. With Yamcha from Dragon Ball by SH Figure Arts and Bruce Wayne the Dark Knight from the Dark Knight Trilogy model kit by Modoking. With the Man of Steel Superman by Manipul and Steve Rogers Captain America from Endgame by Hasbro. With the Nightfall Batman from McFarlane Toys and Serpentor from G.I. Joe Classified Series by Hasbro. And finally, with the other members of the 7 from The Boys TV series, Homelander and Starlight. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.